Grapes are one of the sweetest and most nutritious fruits of the summer. But if you store them properly, you can enjoy them fresh even in the fall and winter. Today, we'll show you the best ways to keep grapes fresh for longer. First, the key is harvesting correctly. Pick grapes early in the morning when it's cool. Avoid grapes exposed to direct sun or after rain, as they spoil faster. Select bunches that are whole, firm, and free of damage or mold. Next, storage matters. The ideal temperature for grapes is between 34 degrees Fahrenheit and 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. Humidity should be around 85 to 90% to prevent drying out. Place your grapes in paper bags or ventilated containers instead of sealed plastic bags. This allows air circulation and keeps grapes fresh longer. Some growers store grapes on the vine, covering them with leaves until the harvest. This natural method keeps grapes fresh until cool weather arrives. If you have a cellar, basement, or cool pantry, it's also perfect. Hang the grape bunches or place them on racks in a cool, ventilated space. Check them every 1 to 2 weeks and remove any spoiled or dried grapes. Freezing grapes is another excellent option. Wash and dry each grape carefully, then store them in single layers in freezer-safe containers. Frozen grapes stay fresh for months and make a healthy snack or smoothie ingredient. By storing grapes properly, you can enjoy their sweet taste and natural vitamins year-round. Cherish this gift from nature, avoid waste, and savor fresh, juicy grapes every season.